are words that describe. Let me tell you this story. Last night, my mom asked me, how were my kids this year? She knows I'm a teacher. So she asked me, how are your kids? And I said, they're good, they're okay, they're behaving, they're working, they're trying their best. But my mom asked me, no, I want to know how they look like. So then I started using words that describe. So I said, I have some girls with blonde hair, I have some girls with brown hair, and I have some girls with black hair. Now the boys, they all have short hair, and they all have white skin. One of my students wear eyeglasses. So, one of the boys. So there, by telling her how you look like, and I describe, then she can picture in her head how you look like. But if I just said, I have nice girls and nice boys, can she make a picture in her head? No. Now that's how we use adjectives. Now good writers, they write something, they use adjectives to describe. Okay? Now from now on, every time we are writing, we're going to use adjectives to describe. Okay. Now let's say that I ask you and I said, I have a banana split. Think of it. Think of a banana split. Now, do like this, thumbs up, if you can picture a banana split in your head. Yes. Now, what if I tell you, open your eyes, and what if I tell you, think of a banana split with 2 bananas, 3 ice cream scoops, 1 chocolate, 1 vanilla, and 1 strawberry. Now on top, put some whipped cream and 3 cherries. Now look. Did you see in your head? Did you get this picture?
Yes.
Do thumbs up if this is what you saw in your head. Now, which one was better? The first time I didn't use adjectives, I just said, let's think of a banana split. Or the second time when I used adjectives. Which one was better? The first? Just show me. First or the second? It's easier to get an image in your head when you use adjectives. Now, let's make a list of adjectives to describe this picture. Adjectives describe shape, color, texture, and sometimes feelings. If it was here, a person, you can describe feelings. Now, let's think. I'm going to think out loud, okay? So, I can say that the banana split looks delicious. I can also say that it is I have time to show colorful, because it has pink, it has green, not green, this is not green, it has yellow or white, it has brown and red. So it is color. It is also, it has round balls of ice cream. Can you think of something else? I'll choose 3. Tell me, what 3 things can you tell me to describe that banana split? Tell me? Sweet. You can describe when you say, if you're thinking of a banana split, it's sweet. So we can say, it is sweet. Are we describing it? Yes. 2 more. What else? Javier? 3 cherries. Yes, we can say 3 because it tells me how many. So, it has 3 cherries. Okay? 1 more. Let's see, 1 more. Betty, what can we say about the banana split?
Yummy.
Delicious? It's there. It goes into delicious. Yummy, delicious. Let's see. Flores?
It has two bananas.
2 bananas. That's something I said, right? Imagine 2 bananas.
And that's
Did I ask for the 3 already? Yes.
Yes.
Sweet. 3 cherries and 2 bananas. Now, do you know what adjectives are? Those are words that help me describe. And it helps when you're writing. Sometimes you have a picture in your head. But as writers, we need to help our reader get the same picture. Okay? So the more adjectives you use, then the reader is going to get the message and it's going to get the movie in there. Okay. Now, remember that once we did turn and talk? Then you have a partner to talk to? Yes? Now, I want you to turn to the person next to you. These 2 rows will go together, these 2 rows will go together, and these 2 rows will go together. Okay? Now, Diego can join Mafer and Rodrigo. Can you work with them? It's going to be a group of 3. Join them. Now, I want you to look at the picture and talk about words that describe this picture. Okay? We're going to erase the words for the clown because we're going to write new words about this picture. Okay? Talk about words that describe the clown. Talk to your partner.
He has a big nose.
Tiny. What's another word for happy? What's another word? Another word?
His hands are big. He's very big and he has a whistle.
So, if he has a word, then it has noise. It makes a lot of noise. It's okay, we're sharing. It's not talking, we're sharing ideas. And how is it? Just one color or many colors together?
He's fat.
So how do you call it?
He's really fat. He has funny smiles.
When it's time to share, then
He has funny clothes.
That's a word to describe. When you're ready, your turn facing the front. Okay. Now, let's see what wonderful adjectives you found for the clown. Let's list 5. What 5 adjectives can you tell me about this clown? Diego?
The clown has
Okay, green hair. So, let me ask you here. Which one is the adjective? Green or hair? Green. Green is the adjective. But it's okay if you write green hair, because it could be green arms, or green shirt, or green pants. But the adjective is green. Okay? Another one, Savannah. One sock? He's just wearing one sock? Okay. One sock. Which one is the adjective there? One. Because sock is a noun. Okay? Because we're talking about something. But the adjective is one. Okay? What's another adjective about? Gami?
green.
He's smiling. Okay. So can we say he's happy? What's another word I told you, Camille, about happy? What's another word for happy? You were talking to Gabby. What was that word? Hilarious. Okay. Look how you're right. This is when you're really laughing. Make you laugh out loud. Okay? Hilarious. Two more. Let's see. Isabella.
And he's using roller skates.
Okay, so what that tells me about him?
And
He is active, or he likes to do sports?
he's active.
Active? Okay. Is an active clown. One more. Let's see. One more. Got it. Fat. Because there could be a clown that was really skinny. So he is fat. Now, if we were to describe that clown, if we were to write about the clown, let's say that this, no one has seen it, right? So we were writing something to describe the clown. Now, if you write using those words, and many more that you can tell about this clown, do you think your reader will get this image? Yes. The more adjectives you use, the better and the easier for the reader to understand your message. Right? Now, always remember, good writers use adjectives to help the reader make a movie in their head.
How cool.
Okay? Now, from now on, when we're writing, we're always going to use
Adjective.
to what? To describe.